Hello. Good morning, guys, and it is a wonderful Wednesday, and we are here to trade. Market is about to open. Let's see, it is 8:29. Market opens up in 1 minute. Tasty Works updated their platform, and now I have this wonderful little pairs trading feature. And today we are going to be doing some. Actually, let's click on that. See what happens. Sick. That is so cool. Anyways, market just opened, so my positions are going to start working. /VX, so this is volatility futures, down $1. We got the SPY up $4.50. Qs are up 43. That's insane. Let's see. Yeah, should be an okay day for my portfolio. Just wanted to run through some stuff I did this week so far. Alright, so let's take a look at some of my positions. Now, in the last video I mentioned that I'd be managing AT&T, and I did actually go out and roll this out in time. I was able to collect 69-cent credit right here. And just look at the positions right now. Still holding the exact same positions. AT&T's down 22 cents today. So nothing really for me to do. I don't want AT&T to break through my strikes here, but I'm just gonna keep managing it and defending it and stuff. So, but yeah, anyways, so that's what's up there. Down $33 because of the sell-off yesterday. Actually, there was a small sell-off, and I believe I adjusted Uber. All I did here was rolling up this put, and that seems to be doing all right. So, anyways, and then today, the plan, and I played around with ES futures. I actually discovered with ES futures, it takes up very little buying power. Like, I can put on the 24 delta, so that's only going to take $50 in buying power to put this trade on. And then if I let's do that right there. So 256, and my max profit is gonna be what, 130. So that's actually a really nice risk reward ratio. Basically 1 to 2. Risk 2 to make 1. So yeah, good odds. I definitely like those odds, and it's slightly higher than that technically speaking, but. And today, what I've got on the docket, putting on some earnings trades. We've got 4 underlines. Let me pull up my notes. Oh yeah, before I forget, I did want to go over a trade I did in Tesla. I pulled off a scalp using a butterfly. That's why you see this day trade right here. So let's pop over to Tesla. And just real quick, look at if we pop into activity. We'll just do filled Tesla. And you can see here from yesterday, we're just going to get rid of these other. There we go. So yeah, so in Tesla, I put on this trade for 352, closed it for 402, all in the same day. Took about an hour and a half to do the whole thing, and yeah, made $50 right there. Just boom. Nice $50 scalp on the options price. And I did get a day trade for that, so that sucks, but it is what it is. I need to get my account over, it would be nice to be able to get my account up over the $25,000 mark by the end of the year. That would be wonderful. Anyways, I might do another scalp on like Tesla or something in my IRA because I don't have any day trades there yet. But no more day trades until next week for my main account. So let's go ahead and get those earnings trades put in though. Sadly, Tesla does not have earnings. However, Royal Caribbean says that they've got earnings. Let's see, 5:13 after the bell today. So let's poke our head in, and what I've got set up here is a little bit of an upside butterfly. And looks like Royal Caribbean's actually selling off a little bit. So I might adjust this strikes a little bit more. This only gives me a 32, so let's move this up. That's gonna be 126. If I go here, that'd be 160. $3 wide. I don't know. What if I made these wider? 32. I go to the 40. $2 to make 190. Do this. This. 182. Scalp. So 83 cents if the stock rallies a little bit off of earnings. Then I'm right at the money. I don't know if I want to put this trade in with this selling off so strongly. I might have to come back in later today once we find support. Whoa. What is going on? There you go. Okay, well. Go back to this chart. 108. So 84 cents. 166. So I'm gonna get 84 cents putting it on here. We'll come back to RCL. We will come back to RCL. Let's take a look at CSCO. See what they're doing. They're selling off slightly, not as badly. So this is going to be 138. It'll be just out of the money. 45. I don't really have an opinion on CSCO whether it's going to be up or down. So I figured I just put that order through there. And I like that trade. Just solid, balanced. We're going to look at some other butterflies, so I'll explain what I'm doing on those because I don't want to take up too much more time. Wow, this sold off quite a bit. Let's adjust our strikes here. So if I do the 10.5, that's 170. This is way more expensive than it was before market. 161. This gives me a 43% chance, and it doesn't look like it's expected to move that much. I'm risking 164 to make 80. That's not great risk reward. This is not looking nearly as appealing as it was yesterday. That's too bad. 153 to make 97. Nope. What if we did? Yeah, I don't like the numbers on this trade. It just does not seem appealing. 23 cents to make 77. 76 cents to make 74. Risk 1 to make 1. Sure, why not? Why not? If we did it $2 wide, what is that? Yeah. 117. We'll go ahead, we'll see if that fills. Oh wow, that did fill. My goodness. And then our profit target on this is just going to be, we'll probably try to take $1.40 out of it. And then we'll shoot for $1.50 because I got, yeah. So that'll be 35 cents. It's probably slightly better than that. Let's put in our GTC, and there we go. Alright, and then Sony, they've got earnings tonight as well. Earnings 5/13. And if we pop in, look at where Sony's trading, they sold off a lot. Let's move this up. 7 to 11. I'm gonna put my butterfly right around there. And maybe I should get a little bit closer. There. And this way I just have a little bit of space. Where are we looking? Sony's trying to rally off of that low, so I'll put it up a little bit higher. There you go. We'll put it right there. It's kind of tricky just because, oh, and there goes my CSCO position. So it's just a little bit tricky trying to place these butterflies. Normally I'd want to do it right before market close, but given that I've got work during the day, I don't have time to just sit, and I can't actually record myself putting these trades on either. So, and we'll let Sony's not quite as liquid. Now let's go back to, I believe it was RCL. Yeah, this is the one where I wasn't quite certain. Oh, this seems much better. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Alright. So we put Royal Caribbean in. I guess the numbers just weren't balanced right or something. I have no idea. Anyway. So this is a $3 wide on each side. And we'll just put it in our closing order. See if we can close it for $1.50. Boom. Put that in. And what were the other trades? RCL, NCLH. I already have my closing order there. Sony's still working. CSCO. CSCO already up $3. So we're going to go close the full thing at 50% profit. That would be 243. What is this anyway? Sure, why not? 243. I put it on for 136. I very much doubt I would get 243 for that spread, but one can always dream, of course. So maybe I should do that for the other ones actually. That way I don't risk a day trade. No day trading for me, man. So wait, that one's at 150. CSCO. Where's the other one? RCL. There we go. Oh, RCL's at 150 as well. Okay, cool. Cool. So only trade that hasn't placed is that Sony trade. And I'll go back in before market close and adjust it if it still hasn't gone through. Just to try to get that on for you guys. Actually, Sony is that coming back? Let's look at the chart. Pop in. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to rally. Definitely trying to rally. Well, that'll be interesting. Anyways. Okay, so there we've got some earnings trades in for the day, guys. And check back in later this week. I'll try to make a video tomorrow of me just closing those earnings trades, and you guys will be able to see what it looks like, putting on earnings trades and taking them off and everything. So and those are all butterflies. The reason I'm just doing butterflies, there goes Sonny. The reason I'm doing butterflies is just because I want the opportunity to have slightly lower risk, but then also be able to capitalize on the IV crush. So I'm putting up a little bit less capital than I would put up for, let's say, an iron condor, but I'll be making, if they move in my favor, I'll be making close to the same on the trade as I would with an iron condor. So a little bit less money to make roughly the same. I mean, if it all works out. So yeah. Alright, let's put in our closing order in Sony. See what 50% profit looks like here. 305? Yeah, why not? I don't want to get a day trade thing. And who knows? Could actually bounce back. Definitely could bounce back. My portfolio overall looks like we're down on the day. That's just because spies are selling off and I've got a bunch of positive delta. So might actually look at doing like a delta buster or something. Anyways, this video is long enough. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Happy trading. Ciao.